Okay, hey guys. So today I want to go over a trade that I took, and the stock that I was focused on today was Roku. And you can see here, this is the piece of news that's acting as the catalyst for Roku today. So Needham raised its price target on the streaming video services stock to a street high of $255 per share from $190 a share, noting rapid growth in Roku's installed base as well as an increase in the number of streaming-only homes. So this is a positive piece of news. It's a price target increase. So this institute, Needham, is basically saying that they expect Roku's price to eventually hit a target of $255. And currently, apparently, it's sitting at $190. So there's plenty of room for Roku to move to the upside. Now, a thing to note about this catalyst here is that I don't actually recognize this name, Needham. So I'm guessing it's potentially not a major institute, which is kind of a bad thing. You'd want a really reputable name like Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan or something like that to give a price target raise, because that's something that a lot of people are going to pay attention to. But nonetheless, Roku has good volume today, so that shows me that people are paying attention to this and that this could be potentially be a good buying opportunity. So let's head over to the broker now and we'll have a look at the stock. Okay guys, so we're a few seconds away from market open, and again we're looking at Roku. So the volume is 156,000, which is pretty decent volume, and it's currently up 4.42%, so there's plenty of room left for this to move to the upside, and especially since we have a price target which is a little bit higher than it currently is. Okay, a little bit of selling here on market open, but that's nothing to be too concerned about. That's probably just the pre-market buyers. Some of them are taking their profit, exiting their positions. Once they're out of the way, we'd expect this to head to the upside based on that positive news. Here we go now. So I entered a buy order there because there's a lot of momentum to the upside, as we can see. So it looks like this is going to head upwards. And now that I've entered my position, I immediately mark out my stop loss, which is 1.6% from my entry. And you can see there's a good bit of room, good bit of wiggle room for this stock. Good bit of wiggle room for this stock. And now that that's done, I can set my price target, which is 2%, and that gives me my point to exit my position. So now in this range function, I'm just going to enter my stop loss area and my take profit. And then when I hit sell on that, that's going to make it so when the stock hits my target, it'll sell automatically. And likewise, if it hits my stop, it'll sell automatically. So that just means that I can sit back and relax, because I know that this will sell automatically. My capital is protected, and if it hits my target, it'll sell automatically. So I just entered the point I entered this stock at, and you can see that we are up already. We're getting quite close to our target already, which is a good sign. And the volume has ticked up a lot in this stock, which shows a lot of money is flooding into this stock, which is definitely a good sign. Alright, there we go, guys. Stock hit my price target. So that's $40, 2% profit. It took a little bit longer than I expected. It was more choppy than I had anticipated. But nonetheless, 2%, it's a good trade. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. See you next time.